Thank you everybody for returning. So for right here, we're gonna go into the Hinge change tutorial. So welcome back. And I came up with this move from one of my magic effects I created. You can see in Gumworld, I've recently used it, and hopefully you guys can use this for your card effects and other effects as well on purpose, and we'll go into different slides and what else you can do with it. So let's get into it. So from what it looks like, yes, sorry, and then go into it. Yes, and then from there we can slightly now that is accomplished. So I hope that's it, and we'll see how to get into it. For much more, I'm sorry about the fake, but yes, let's get into it. So from here, it could be any random card. It doesn't have to be any card specific. So you can do it with any normal deck, a regular deck of cards, and all it takes is a little practice. So first of all, you want to start with the deck and held up until it's grip. So all the faces will be upwards, and you'll start with that. So with that being is, you'll start by thumbing off the bottom card. Either way, thumb off, and then you will hold in any of your favorite grip palms, Tenkai palm or whatever, but I like the Hinge palm or the clip. You can with your first and finger clip, first palm, and it's kind of like a bindle grip. So you'll do the bindle grip with the cards, except this will be a top of the hinge. So this will be the top of the corner cards here, square. And you want to make sure that the projection of either the Tenkai is back here on the palm, no farther than at least an inch or so, because then you could see the view outwards. But either from whichever clip, you'll have it in grip as you said, and on the corner of that, while you're doing that, you'll Tenkai, turn over the deck, so you'll wrist kill the deck. After you wrist kill, you'll flip it over like normal. So it's important, then you can do it all in one motion. Take off the top card, then you'll just let it fall back on top of the card that you just produced, and come right back down and drop the other card. Take this card, already still there, and you push under your deck and swing all the cards below. But as long as you start forward here, so you start here, you'll try to start here, drop the deck halfway, and then drop, and then swing the cards. So let's go over that again. So we'll keep the combination of the same card so no one gets confused. So from that way, you already thumbed off the bottom card. So you already thumbed off the bottom card. Wrist kill the card after you bomb it. Wrist kill. Flip over the deck. Take one. Make sure you drop it on top of your card. point so it swings down, and then from here you'll keep this card halfway under the deck, halfway, not all the way, but you're still covered halfway. So it's like this, then you would spread, and that card is then covered underneath there, and you'll swing forward. So more detail on the hinge change as it is. How is it? So you'll risk kill afterwards. You can either, whichever is simpler, risk kill, or to just and then flip the deck. So it'll be this way, and then you'll grab it on this way. So when you grab it this way, so on the hinge change, it falls on to the deck. So how's it look? Just like that, and it falls on the card. So from the side view, as it falls on the card, you'll then want to let this card swing down. So as it swings down, it looks like the motion of the card just simply went from here and then went here. So you can do this in production cards for here. Here, and nice little production, and then you can go into any of your other slight modes, whatever, and then from here show both hands empty, just that deck, and then you can also just swing the corner of the deck. But like I said, so there's 3 ways to do that. From if you want to cover up your card, there's 3 ways to do that. So on the bottom of the card, either you want to drop the deck here, swing it. You always want to use the corner. You use the corner, goes into the deck, pass, and one hand motion. So either day. So from the side view, when you do that, you'll bring it halfway, leave the deck square. So leave the deck square halfway. Doesn't matter, that's the view of the card, but from here, still covered, and then you just slide the covered card, and it keeps everything in motion, and you can go ahead and continue on with your production. Then when you scoop it up, clean, and then you can go on with your color change or whatever you want to do, or yeah, simple as that. Or you can go into when your card moves, where you turn over the deck, and then from there you can produce the card. You go back into it, show the deck, show the card, and then again you can go and do your ambitious cards routine. You can use it for card changes, whatever you want to do it for, and yes, so that's how it basically works. And you can go and do it as many times as you want from here, and as you do your whatever color change you would want, then you can go into any of your color changes, palm and slides, then you can go into more, whatever, but as long as you want to do like your middle deal, do your card, bring up the ace, then whatever you would go from there, and it looks smooth. But yes, if you have any questions about the hinge change or whatever, comment me in below, and I'll look forward to releasing more tutorials on some of my magic effects. We're getting away from more card tutorials, but I'll still show some card tutorials, but now these are more for performances, but these are also more magic effects than card mechanics per se. So we'll get into more of that in more detail, and how I can share some of my magic formulas with you on how I create some of the magic I come with. But we'll see you again back on the channel. Glad seeing you guys. Don't forget, we got merchandise too in the link. For any creepy ones, you get 20 to 30% discount, and then for the 11K you get 10% discount. But we look forward to seeing you more. And shop link. And for all my magic fanatics out there, card mechanics and card gamblers, card sharks, I hope you enjoyed this as well, and we'll see you in the next video.
I'm gonna be better than you thought.